You will like this video, and I will prove it to you. Because in today's video, we will be browsing through 5 different websites on how to make money online. Because I want this video to be special for you guys. That is why I suggest for you to finish this video until the very end, because if the first website might not work for you, well, you can't choose another website to work on, right? Also, you should not skip any part of this video because every detail matters in this video. After you finish this video, I suggest also for you to try it on your own laptop, cell phone, or maybe even on your tablet. Because if you didn't try this on your own, of course, you will not earn any money at all. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro! But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. By going onto the search engine of your choice and then typing the URL of this website, this is what you're gonna have to see on your screen right now. It has a lot of learning methods like taking paid surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and downloading apps. But since our main focus for today's video is watching videos, that is what we're gonna be discussing. The plan at the shore, for example, in stock.com is $5. And that's not too bad. That's actually a pretty low payout threshold. Especially because there are some websites that allow you to cash out if you've already earned up to $10. So that's a pretty good factor. To get you started, we want you to sign up on this website so that you can get into your account and see what it's supposed to look like inside, and we'll just log into ours so we can show you an example of what it's supposed to look like inside your account. The first thing that you will see here are some surveys that you need to answer to earn. And if you scroll down, you will see morning methods. If you look over to the left side of the webpage, you see earn points. And then under earn points are home service, watch, and offers. So right now we are on the home page, and let's go ahead and click watch, so we can start watching this start. By the way, make sure that you keep watching to find out which platform would be the best platform out of all the 5 that we mentioned. For now, it's this one because it's the first one on our list. Also, make sure that you pay attention carefully because there are steps you need to closely follow in order to actually get paid by watching videos. Now, continuing, once you click on watch, it will redirect you to this page, and this is how it's supposed to look like. Now you want to hover on top of these 2 options because then you'll see the exact instructions or offer details. But before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. Then you can choose which offer you like the most so you can start watching. For this video, we're going to choose one, and once you've clicked that, you will be redirected again to this next job. When you'll see all the videos that you need to start watching the respective points, decide that you will learn by watching the video. Now we're gonna go ahead and choose a random video to watch, and then once you've made your choice, you're gonna then be directed to another tab, but make sure you don't click off because you're almost there. Once you have the new tab, they're going to ask you to sign up so that they can actually track your videos and actually pay you. Now just go ahead and log into your account so we can show you what you're going to see once you've signed up. Now you'll see all of the recommended videos for you to watch and learn from. Once you've chosen the video you want to watch, click on that and then start watching entertainment. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, so that's basically our first website. And this website is called GrabPoints.com. Now a little disclaimer, you might not make $1,000 by doing this, but you can surely make a couple of dollars on each side. which still can help you earn a decent amount of money. If you do it properly, of course, and follow the steps that we are giving. So that's it for our very first thought. For now, let's move on to our second platform. Our second website is going to be superpay.me, and this is quite a satisfactory platform to make money by watching videos. The moment that you sign up, you can already earn your first $0.20, and that's only just for signing up. That is a great start. Now, if you're done signing up in your account, this is how it should look like once you're inside your account. You're gonna then go to offer to see what you need to watch. But before that, they wanna assure you that people are actually getting paid now here. You're gonna see that all of these people actually received a payout through their PayPal account through this website just by watching videos, and you can also have a preview on how much the roster is actually earning through this method. Let us start watching videos and earning. You can go straight away to the offer, while and then it's up to you to choose whatever you want to choose from the options under the offer wall, in which there are a lot of options that you can choose from, and we're just going to choose engaging videos for this video, and then as soon as you click on this, it is going to then redirect you to another video section page. Then you also sign the first upset that we showed you. But in this website, you have the freedom to choose any of the topics given. This makes it so much more enjoyable to do since you can choose to watch something that actually interests you. So this is one of the factors that make this website better than the first one that I showed you. That is why you need to stay tuned until the very end of this video, as the websites just get better and better towards the end. Now you're going to choose a video of your choice, then it will redirect you again to the actual video that you are going to have to watch. Make sure that you don't click right away, because in this video section, you're going to have to sign up for an account in the video section as well, because you're not going to get your hard-earned points. I will actually be sent as money to the account. Do not go in the comment section down below to leave a response saying that this is a scam. They are actually not earning any money. This is why we emphasize that you need to follow step by step how to properly watch videos to actually start earning. Because there are some crucial steps involved. So in order to return, you're going to have to follow through correctly. There really is a notice that in order to earn from the video that you choose to watch, you really have to sign up, so please do not step and sign up on your laptop, TV, so you can earn your points for money. Then it can redirect you to the sign up page, and once you click sign up now, make sure that it's done, and then you will now start receiving your points for watching these videos. And then from there, you will actually be able to cash out your payment to the superpay.me website, and what you're gonna have to do is go to rewards, and then you will see an option to withdraw cash, and that's basically it. Now let's get into the third website, which is InboxDollars.com. This is a pretty well-known website, and a lot of people are actually on this website to make money by watching videos just from simply signing up. You can already make $5 as a sign-up bonus, which, if you can remember, the previous website has the same benefits as well. This is $5, and on the last site it was only $0.20. So this website offers a relatively higher sign-up bonus, which means that this website is definitely better than the first two websites that we've discussed. I don't want to trick you into thinking that you can immediately cash out the $5, because you're actually going to need $10 to be able to cash out. So you still need more than $5, as you can see on the homepage. It says that you can be rewarded for watching TV, taking surveys, and shopping in cash offers. But in this video, we're focusing on watching videos, so we're only going to focus on earning rewards from watching TV. So let's go ahead and see how this website actually works. So it says here that brands pay them for consumers, and we recruit members like you. You're also going to be doing online activities, namely paid surveys, paid videos and TV, redeeming free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping, and more. But like I mentioned, I am going to take a closer look at the page, videos, and TV part, because that is the main focus of today's video. And lastly, you can really earn cash and not points or coupons or whatever else you may be thinking through this website as you scroll down. On this website, you're going to discover how to actually earn money, and all of this information is provided by the website itself, since we are focusing on watching videos. We should read the watch videos information, and it says that big brands companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content. These are like movie trailers for new products featuring the past. We share a portion of those earnings with you. It is very clear from the given statement that you're receiving a part of their payment, and that's how you get paid through this method. So if you sign up right now using the purple sign up button that you will find in the bottommost part of the web page, you would get a $5 sign up bonus straight away. And then you need to make another $5 maybe through watching videos this time, in order to cash out the full $10 that you've completed. And this is a pretty fair way to earn some good amount of money online, and this platform has been operating since the year 2000. And that indicates how legitimate they are as a money-making website, and that is a website you can trust and can actually make real money from. Now let's dive into this fourth one, which is called Swagbucks.com. Now most of you probably already know or maybe have an idea about this website, since it is pretty famous, but if you don't, then I'm going to give you a rundown on how this website works and how you can actually start making money on this website. You can earn free gift cards and the cash for the daily things that you do online. You will see that under Earn Points, you're given a few options on how to earn, and then you will see that through this website, you can watch entertaining videos as a way of earning points, among others. But like I always mentioned, I am focusing on making money through watching videos. So you can do that on this platform, and the points that you earn by watching videos can be sent to you as cash. And you can actually cash out from people if you want to earn a gift card. Then that will work as well. But if you really just want to stick with cash earnings, and there's no problem with that either. Again, you don't make thousands off of watching videos on this website or the previous websites discussed. But you can actually make a decent amount of money where it's legit and real. So if you want to sign up on this website, you can simply click on the sign up button, which is at the bottom of the web page. It is completely free. It is fast and easy to follow. You can immediately start as soon as you're done watching this video. Now, our fifth and final website for today's video is going to be Picoworker.com. This is actually a pretty good website to start making your very first book online. Through this website, you will find job listings that require you to click on websites, and from that, you will be able to earn money right away, and earning money has never been so easy. You have so many jobs to choose from. The ones you first see are some small jobs. Small jobs would be easy enough to get you started on making your first $1 or $2. And they are the quickest to do as well as the easiest most of the time. There are offers where you can watch videos and earn from them. But there's also a lot. Here you can simply just check out our website, and from the other loan, you can already earn from either job listing, and they change every day, and that is why it's always different jobs each day, but still methods of earning as of right now. There is no video watching this sample that I can show you because listings today is different, but all of these other listings, as you can see, they're all pretty easy and simple to do. So if you're also considering exploring outside of just watching videos, then this website is the perfect one for you. If you are able to, you can click on all the job listings that require you to just click on a website, and you make about $0.20. Just by clicking on a website. I know we all know that $0.20 isn't a lot, but if you keep clicking and trying out the different small jobs, then you will be able to start collecting, and eventually your cash will be dollars. As you continue on scrolling down, you're going to see more and more jobs emerge that are very simple to do. You can get started right away to finally start making money by co-workers. It has also been operating for many years now. So this is another site or platform that you can trust and that you can make actual money from. So make sure you sign up to this website right now. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comments section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!